It's competition time. It is time for me just to appreciate you guys and thank you so much for your support. And we are going to be doing that by giving away a $100 US Amazon gift card. The last time we had a giveaway, we did it old school by just picking a name out of a little container, and we chose the winner and we went live, and I feel like that worked well, and we'll be doing the same. Now, the rules. Rule number 1, comment under this video. Let's go. Rule number 2 is join us on Facebook. There's a link in the description box, Cook with Mel. And the reason we ask you to do that is to verify that it's actually you. And it's where we will contact you for your details to send you your prize. The third rule, of course, is subscribe to our channel here on YouTube. So that's the rules. That's it. Just comment down below, let's go. Join us on Facebook so we can message you, and be subscribed to our channel because this competition or giveaway is just for our supporters. So just to give you a little bit more information about us, we are a two-man team, my husband and I. I research and have lots of failed recipes trying to recreate carb-like foods for the keto diet and for other people with allergies or medical conditions. And if you're one of them and you're missing something, don't be shy to comment or message me and let me know what your restrictions are in terms of your diet, and maybe we could work something out. I could come up with something for you.
And I'm Chris. I normally stand behind the camera, and if you listen very carefully, you hear one or two smart-ass comments here and there, but it's only because I'm trying to make this one laugh after a long day of filming. Nonetheless, I sit in the background, do the editing, bit of directing, and also do some shopping here and there. That's all I've got to say. That's my entire interaction for the day. Just want to wish you all good luck. Thank you for all the support, and best of luck with the competition. I'll see you next time.
And just like that, poof, he's gone. So the competition will close the last day of February, that is the 28th of February, and no, it's not a leap year this year. And we will go live on the 15th of March to announce the winner and do the draw, where I get to stick my finger in some paper. Just to let you know what's coming up in our next videos, we are going to still be releasing pasta sauces, but we feel like we should speed up flourless egg white recipes because we do have those in the pipeline. So do stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching. Customarily, stay safe and be well.